I'm going to do something with that seaweed. And then I'm going to fill in these burgundy bits. Do more running stitch on the background in these blues. Maybe those blues. This floss is called Venus floss. I don't know if that's got anything to do with the name of floss or anything. I don't know. As I said, I am very new to everything. I still haven't worked out which flosses are the best and what everything is called, and I just do it. I just stitch however. It's like freeform, anything goes. What did I do with the lid? I only have a couple embroidery books that I got for Christmas. I'm losing everything now. So I got this one which has a lot of different things that I can create. Shows a lot of different stitches as well. So I would like to do up a calendar one day for the channel, probably next year, where I will stitch one thing a day, describing what my day was like for a year. Oh, so that should be 360 images at the end of it. Motifs. So yeah, that would be interesting. Different. Unless I do one thing a week or something, for 4 weeks per month. I don't know. I'll have a think about it later on when I get a little bit better at this. I'm going to. What should I do first? Oh, what am I doing? Put that back on there. Going to get some white. I'm going to separate want it a bit thicker, so the filling in is faster. If you have any tips, you want to correct me on anything, you are more than welcome to. I am open to constructive criticism, not aggressive criticism. Please feel free to judge, but not too harshly. So I'm just going to fill it in. Inside the black lines is what I'm going to do. If I go over time, I will just continue on to the next episode. There won't be a introduction, but maybe I might do a introduction for every video, the same. I don't know yet, because I got confused last time I did this, where I just kept filming and then filming and then just broke it up. And then there was no introduction to some of them, and then there was no outro to some, and so forth. It does make it a little bit tricky when you only get 15 minutes. It looks better with it being white in the background. Thank you so very much for joining me for episode 15. I hope you did enjoy watching me finish off the beads and start on filling the background of this octopus to make it blend in more. Sorry, it took about 35 minutes just to do that little bit. I'm going to stop. Please give this a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel to see when I upload next, and any random craft that I decide I'm going to do for that week or for the next episode or whatever. Once I get a little bit more into it with schedules, I will start doing specific videos per day or every second day or third day for the channel. It will be scheduled and you'll be able to tune in on those days that you're interested in, other than it being a surprise. Please hit the all notification bell to see you will get notified first over everyone else. And yeah, thank you very much, and bye for now. Bye.